Hey, Income Grid family, welcome back to the channel. If you're a self-published author on Amazon KDP, then you already know one thing: reviews are everything. Reviews control your ranking, your credibility, your click-through rate, and most importantly, your sales. But let's be honest, getting reviews today is harder than ever. Readers are busy, strangers don't leave feedback, and asking for reviews feels awkward. So in today's video, I'm going to show you 7 powerful hacks, real strategies that top KDP authors are secretly using to get more reviews fast, ethically, and without breaking Amazon's terms of service. If you want to turn your book into a bestseller, smash the like button and let's dive in.
Most authors end the book with, "Thanks for reading," and that's it. But smart authors know, the final page is your goldmine. Add a dedicated review request page at the end of your book. Keep it short. Make it personal. Make it emotional. Example: your review might be the reason someone discovers this book. It only takes 20 seconds, and it helps me keep writing. Why it works? Because people respond to purpose, not pressure. This alone can double your review rate. This is a secret strategy big KDP authors use. Place multiple microprompts in different places, after an emotional chapter, after a powerful section, at the very last page, inside bonus material pages. But instead of begging, you nudge gently. If this chapter helped you, consider leaving a quick review. Readers are most motivated during emotional peaks, so you catch them when they feel grateful, not when the book ends and they forget. If you want reviews, you need connection. And the easiest way is to give readers more than they expected. Offer a freebie inside your book: free checklist, free downloadable journal, free guide, free templates, free mini course. But here's the trick: when you deliver the freebie through email, you get a chance to talk to them. Then naturally you say, "I hope you're enjoying the book. If you ever leave a review, it would mean the world to me." You're not forcing, not bribing. You're building a relationship. And superfans always review. Did you know that thousands of people click "Look Inside" on Amazon, but never buy? Here's how to turn them into reviewers. Make your first pages magnetic. Use a mini story or emotional hook. Insert a review request near the introduction. Why? Because even someone who only previewed your book might buy it later. And if they feel connected early, they'll also be more likely to review. First impressions, once, reviews later. Even if your audience is small, use them. Ask online communities, Facebook groups, writing communities, WhatsApp groups, book clubs, Instagram followers, TikTok followers, but don't beg for reviews. Tell your story. I published a book. This is a dream come true. If you read it and feel inspired, a quick review would help so much. People love supporting human stories. You're not promoting, you're inviting people into your journey. ARC means advanced review copy. This is where you give a few people early access to your book, and they leave honest reviews once it's released. But many authors do it wrong. They give the book to random people. They pressure readers. They expect 5-star reviews. Here's the correct way. Give your ARC to readers who already enjoy your niche. Remind them to leave honest reviews. Never promise anything in exchange. This keeps everything 100% within Amazon's rules and gives you a wave of reviews on launch day. This hack is extremely powerful, and almost no KDP beginner does it. After someone downloads your freebie or joins your email list, send them a follow-up sequence. Email 1. Thank you for reading. Hope the book is helping you. Email 2. 3 days later. If you're enjoying it, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Include a link to the Amazon review page. Email 3. 7 days later. A simple reminder. Your feedback helps me improve and reach more readers.
And there you have it. 7 powerful hacks to explode your reviews on KDP and finally get the visibility your book deserves. Remember, reviews are not luck or magic. They're a system. If you follow these steps, your review count will grow every single week. If you want more KDP hacks, money tips, and income strategies, subscribe to the Income Grid and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next video. Drop a comment, "I want more reviews," and I'll reply with extra tips. See you in the next video.